I've been moving along on this for a while now. Seems like I didn't get much done, yet, I was in here for a few hours, so that's just how it goes sometimes. I got the valve covers switched over and then repolished them. I got the thermostat housing transferred over as well. Got everything removed from the front and mounted the crankshaft pulley down here. Still need to take the water pump off of that guy and put it on here. Took out the mechanical fuel pump. I need to get a block off plate for that. I'm gonna end the evening with a little story about my dinner. I decided to get McDonald's while I was in town. It was a bad move. I ordered a quarter pounder meal with sweet and sour sauce and a Shamrock McFlurry. What I received was a very cold nugget meal with a gallon of ranch and just an Oreo McFlurry. That is some rough accuracy there. Knew I should have did Burger King.
Whoa.
New parts, a fuel pump block off plate, and more importantly, the big one. Went back to Phytech, which is what I had with the green buggy. Yeah, I bought the last Phytech setup in 2017. And I would hope, if anything, they've improved even since then. So I've got the 600 horsepower version here. And if I recall, I ordered the matte black one. Looks pretty cool. Oh, I like that. I never enjoy lifting an engine up this high. Obviously, I still have the headers inside the chassis, which makes this less fun than normal. We're about nestled into the spot. I'll have to start checking the dowel pins here in a sec. The headers made it a pain in the butt. I'm still glad I left those in there. Now I have the headers slipped over the heads where they go. I just gotta push this engine backwards a little bit. I also have all the bell housing bolts in there. Bolted back into the chassis and bolted to the transmission, so that is nice. I'm gonna take off this mechanism here off the engine before I head inside so I can get this cherry picker out of there. Although, these headers are kind of in the way of that bolt down there. I've been backing that bolt out, so it's almost free. When I pulled the engine, I must have had the chain attached on this head. Because the way the headers are bent, they give you more room over here to work with than this side. I was like, how in the heck did I deal with this last time? But I don't think I had to deal with it because that side has way more room. That bolt and back was terrible. Almost thought I was going to have to cut the head off, but I don't know what tool was going to fit back there either. Progress, right? I now have the correct water pump bolted back up here. I have the headers bolted up. I took out the larger HEI distributor this motor came with. I'll put my smaller MSD distributor in here. I've got the motor at top dead center. And also while it's out, I'm gonna hook up my oil line because it is way easier to get to when there's no distributor right here. These skies are looking really rough right now. In person, it's looking a little green. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, well, I was working on the buggy, but the wife just got home with some pizza, and the side-by-side needs to be parked in the garage, so I'm gonna call it quits for the moment. Alright, I gotta go. It is the next day, and within about 30 seconds of me shutting this camera off yesterday, I slammed the door shut in the shop, turned the lights off, and hopped in the side-by-side. I'd be lying if I said I saw a tornado, but it definitely sounded like one. It was nuts. The rain and the wind came in so fast. It was a pretty wild scene, and now I have to show you guys something. Something I'm so glad I get to deal with today. Yes! Do you guys remember like 2 days ago when I built this? Oh, that's perfect. is going to take me a little bit. I wonder which way the wind was blowing last night. And the temp dropped like 30 degrees. It is brisk and still pretty windy outside. Yes!
Let's stay out. Put
Daddy's trying.
one.
No.
Pull wood. Got it.
You got it.
I got it too.
Got it?
Hi, Daddy. I'm touched it.
You're sitting in the...
Fun fact, that is less than 1 PSI. Those bad boys would grab some ledges. Here's the monitor, we have power, and I ran through some of the initial setup already. I think I have enough entered in to go ahead and fire it up. Alright, let's see if I hooked all these wires back up where they needed to go. I'm going to see if I can get the self-learning process of the Phytech system to start kicking in here. I kind of babied it for about 30 seconds. It's smelling quite rich at the moment. And anyway, I didn't have enough coolant to really let it warm up. It sucks I had to do all of this, that's for sure. And I guess it is what it is. I don't want to just sell it off. I enjoy the hobby. Usually it gives back. I haven't really got to enjoy this one yet just because of the motor, and that's unfortunate. The little bit that I've been able to use it, it works great, and I'm excited to get some more seat time in it. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn this off. See ya.